Thank you for watching this video. If you're the owner of one of these Toyota Sienna vans, your, like you say, tail light burnout or license plate light, they did sort of make it a aggravation to change, but we'll walk you through the steps. Not really a big deal, so stay tuned. Okay, you want to start with removing the upper trim up across the top of the gate. You do this by carefully, if you can, just get your fingers in behind and pulling it out as I'm doing in the video. Or if you must, get a thin prying device. There is actually trim removal tools which you start in behind. And if you can at all avoid, try when you pull the trim that the clips come with it and don't stick in the vehicle. But it does at times happen. Okay, and then on this Toyota Sienna, now other Toyotas may be similar on the gate or even other vehicles, this strut will have to be removed. Now in this case, it does not hold the gate up. It's just with the automatic pull down, an extra assistance in bringing the gate down. But if yours does hold the gate up, you'll have to support it up. But it's not essential, and you can do this by using a thin pick type tool as I'm using, or a small screwdriver to get in behind, and you just like pull up. You don't have to actually technically the whole way remove it, just pull it back some and it will pull right off the socket it's on. Get the left side trim removed. Now we're just going to repeat on the right, and again no strut on this side, just pull. And on this one you'll see two of the clips did stay in the gate, which we'll take and we'll remove those. Tool, I bought this at Harbor Freight. I believe it was around $7 or $8, and then you always have the 20% off coupons. But if you don't have the equivalent of this, even like a little miniature pry bar with like a little groove in it there, you could get in something, maybe actually even like pull nails or something would work. And this isn't probably necessary, but removing this panel right here, so when you do pull the main part of the plastic off, it doesn't get lost. You can take and just pull that out. It's easy enough to do. And then the cover, you want to take and like slide back and pull down. That holds that strap on. And then it's held on with a 10mm bolt. And like I say, I use 1/4" drive ratchet and the socket, and of course counterclockwise to loosen it. Take that off. Simple step. We need to remove the main gate cover. This is held on with the same clips that held the side trim pieces on. The thing is, at the bottom you have to press in on these little brackets that hold the main plastic to the gate. After you push those in and carefully work all the clips loose, you can remove the main gate cover. Next, if your license plate light's the one burn out, you'll want to press in sort of like a squeezing action and pull back on the wire plug that holds to the back of the light socket. And after that's removed, give a half a turn counterclockwise and remove the socket. It is tight clearances. And use the long needle nose pliers and just give the half a turn with those. After you remove your appropriately burnout bulbs and replace them with new ones, just install the bulb in the socket back in and turn clockwise after you line up the slots and re-plug the wire in. Or reassembling the tailgate, make sure they are both burning, because it'd be a shame to go through all that and then have to tear it back apart again. So after the bulbs are in, just take and pull the gate down and make sure the bulbs work. Putting the main cover back on the gate, slide the plastic like those little L brackets in first, which will support the gate while you push the clips back in place. And just watch what you're doing. You shouldn't have to like really get brutal and beat it with your fist and that to push those in. If you line them up with the holes, they should push in with not a whole lot of effort, and you won't break any clips. Because you break too many clips, it's not going to hold back in place. Then just reinstall your left and right hand moldings around the rear window. Of course, the one on the left side on the Sienna has the hole for the extra strut there for the automatic gate operation. And finally, the top piece of trim. Again, just line the holes up and carefully just push it in place, and it is all back together. I hope you found this enjoyable. Be sure to watch for more videos, and please subscribe. I would like it, and so would the giant dog up there. Thank you.